1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for go out. Go out means to leave home to somewhere fun, like a bar, a restaurant, or a cinema. For example, I like to go out for drinks with friends after work. Go out also means to have a romantic relationship. For example, the couple have been going out for a long time. Go out can also mean to stop producing light. For example, the lights went out during the storm. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using go out and leave it in the comments below.